What's up, everyone? Hello, hello. Happy Valentine's Day! Hope you guys are doing well. Happy Valentine's Day to everyone. Hope you had a great day. You get to enjoy not just with your girlfriend or boyfriend, but this day with anyone who you love, truly with heart, who supports you, and especially with me, who I'm here to talk to you, listen to all the things, right? I'm here with you. I'm here to help you with your cybersecurity dream. Together, we're going to accomplish this thing. So happy Valentine's Day, and we are going to get started with an interesting lab today. And by the way, before I get started, I just wanted to say thanks to a couple of people here who recently joined the family, Hackers Club or Censored Hacker family. Alex51, Deacon, SUID, and Spiritual last time, and especially like last time, couple of great people too. Jolly Jumper, James Strobe, the Big Penguin, thanks all for joining. So hopefully, right, we are able to do more. I just want to make sure you guys can hear me. And I'm just going to stop my mic here. I want to make sure. We do something interesting. We are going to talk about, let me add this. We are going to talk about vulnerability, learn about active reconnaissance, web app attacks, and privilege escalation. So this is a really good room. I asked on Reddit to a couple of people, and they said after Burp Suite, which we were doing, this is a great room to learn about web app and all those types of attacks. So here we are. And I just want to see if I can, yeah, all the chat is here, so sweet. I have the chats in place, and I have chat, where's the chat? Okay, let me pop this out. It's easy, then I can monitor if anybody says anything. It's easy for me. So here, the stream manager, pop out chat. Happy Valentine's Day, and let's get started with our hacking. Hacking is love, baby. No. Oracle. Cool. Let's start our Kali Linux box. See how much amount of video memory I have given it. It's crazy. So hopefully you guys can hear me. So need to restart this machine. Reset. Kali. This will be an interesting one. I recommend like you guys start your virtual box or your machines and like let's get hacking because you will learn a lot in this one. As far as I know, I've heard from people. So let's start here. CD desktop, sudo open VPN, hackers pub, and then here we go here. And the IP address 175. So 10.10.107.215. We have our machine deployed, right? Let's get started. Reconnaissance. Gather information about this machine using a network scanning tool called Nmap. Check out Nmap room for more information. We have already done Nmap, so I'm going to just start going with it. And they have given us the command as well. So that's good. Nmap SV. There are a couple of flags. I will show you the ones I use so you know what to use when you are into CTF challenges and those competitions. But connecting to a machine, this room recommends using attack box, which is launched by clicking the blue button on top right. So we probably can't use. We should not use our Kali. Let's close this then. It's fine. Here, click on the view full screen. You can just click on the try THM attack box and then the button comes, which is better. So you don't have to stay in this. Okay. Nmap. Nmap is a free, open source, and powerful tool used to discover hosts and services on a computer network. In our example, we use Nmap to scan this machine to identify all services running on a particular port. Nmap has many capabilities. A table summarizes some of its functionalities below. And before I forget, let me put the room in the chat as well. There we go. So there are certain flags, right? You see SV here, Nmap SV. There will be a couple more coming. Let me turn off my. Let's see. Let's read about these. SV attempts to discover the versions of services that are running. So let's say if there is Apache web server or SSH working, which version is running? That is important because let's say if they're running a very old system, we know it's vulnerable, right? And we can just look online what it is vulnerable to, and we can do that. Then there is dash p. Dash p is for ports. Ports we want to scan. A lot of time people just use this one to scan all the ports. But if you want to give exactly the list, then you do dash p, 80, 80, 80, 443, couple of those. But a lot of time just do this. It's much easier. Then there is dash pn. Disable host discovery and scan for open ports. Let's see this one. May I know why a downvote? I think the reason, blah blah blah. So let's see here. Don't know really how to explain it. As I think Nmap page explains it, okay. But basically, some hosts respond to pings if they are online. Ping, you get a reply. Nmap tries pinging them. If they respond, Nmap continues scanning and you get your result. If it gets no response, it says, they must be down. Well, no point wasting time scanning someone who doesn't exist and exits. Now, some hosts are alive but configured not to answer pings. Under normal circumstances, this means Nmap would simply not scan them thinking they are down. If you use this, it skips the initial stage of checking if the host is up. So that's good. That's useful. Dash pn. Dash a enable operating system and version detection. Executes a built-in script for further enumeration. So this is important. For so far, SV, P, PNA all are important. SC scan for default Nmap scripts. Verbose mode is important, especially if you want to get more into detail of what things are happening, right? Dash E UDP port scan, TCP sync port scan. I don't use. There is a stealth mode as well, which I like to use. But basically, what I can say is this are good or verbose. These depending on your case. There are many Nmap cheat sheets available online that you can use. Okay. Scan the box, how many ports are open. So let's go to our ports and see. Let's close this. Okay, you guys can hopefully see this, right? First, let's ping our IP address, the one we need to hack. Trusting stuff. So it's able to reach and see. So here we can see 7 received, 0 packet loss. So this machine is vulnerable. We are able to read. Hi, I can't hear you, but oh, you can't hear me? Oh, so sorry. You can't hear me? Hello, hello. Oh, on your side you can't hear. Sorry, boss. Yeah. Sorry, sorry, sorry. Thank you. I thought I was not audible. I was like, I did the scan. But okay, so now we can go with Nmap. SV, right? If you know, this was the one we were looking for. SV attempts to find the versions. I also like to use with -A and SC. So let's go get some more information, right? And our port, no, 10.10. Whatever it was, 10.10.107.215. 1.215. As this, you can only use source. You can only use the source option once. What is going on? Name or service not known. Quitting. What the hell? Nmap is not here. Nmap is here. -SC. It's SC is there, right? Oh, there needs small sv. Sorry. A small s. And then capital V. P. And then RA. And then let me copy this again. And one thing I will do, which I like from John Hammond's 1.2, is first I'll paste here. Let this start. So Nmap scan has started. What one thing I will recommend you do, and I also like doing, I learned this from John Hammond. There is, let's say, if there is Office, I want just note taking to be done. There is no notepad here, which is unfortunate, I believe. Notepad is pretty common. Sublime text, okay, that does the job for us. So Sublime text is here. Update available. Cancel this guy. Let me make it big. This is our IP, right? I can do IP and make it bigger. So I can do this and then export this. This will like saves our IP address every time we use the terminal, so we don't have to type the IP address itself. No. Let's see if this will work. It doesn't work inside this, so I'll change this here. So our Nmap scan returned the results, right? One thing first it's a bunch of ports are open. So one thing we can do again is let's see which directory we are in first. pwd cd desktop, right? Now let's do this. The Nmap result, we can just output everything using oh sorry, I was just reading the text on the side. But what we can do is just put nmap output .txt. We can like put all the text here so we don't have to worry about what's going on and stuff. But we can just start with here. 21 is open, which is FTP. Okay. And this is the version of this. Then there is OpenSSH, which probably won't do anything because 7.2 I think works fine. There is 139 And let me increase the size of things for you. There's 139 Samba. Samba is a Microsoft service for file sharing and stuff. 445 again Samba. 3128 HTTP proxy SQUID. HTTP proxy. Okay. Well, okay, there is this information. Host script result. SMB, like remember, SMB is a Windows file sharing one, right? So 6.1 version. SMB security, SMB, okay. Trace route, blah blah blah. And now this has result. So if we go ls, there is nmap, right? We can do cat, and that has all our results. So if we don't have to go up all the time in the terminal, we can just go to this text file. With that being said, let's go back to our TryHackMe and see what they wanted. Scan the box. How many ports are open? So let's open Sublime for this. Let's close this here. Open with Sublime. How many ports? 21 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. 6 of them are open. Another thing I like to do as we are filling other things is yeah, is go do the Gobuster at the same time. Now we have Go. Do they have Gobuster? Let me see. There is Gobuster, and their command is Gobuster command dir. Available commands is dir, so we will be doing, or we can do dirbuster actually. Dirbuster will be easier. Derby, sorry, not dirbuster, derby. Derby, we just give the command. We can also give the word list we want to hit. Let's see what will be a easy word list to hit for this one. Let's go check all the word lists they have. So ls slash user slash share derby word list. So we have big common extensions, blah blah blah. So we'll go with the common. Let's go with common for now, or we can go with, as we are filling other things. So we can for now just go with the big one. HTTP. Our IP was in Sublime Text. Where is the Sublime Text? Our IP here 1010. This guy. I hate the fact like I can't use my shortcuts while using the browser one. So here and then user share derby slash word list and then big. What do you think? Should we use big or common? Let's go with big, I guess. And it started the word list, right? Now we can. Oh, wait, what? Too many errors connecting to host. Okay. Let's see what the host is saying. We know HTTP is open, but probably because it's open at a very unusual port 3331. Sorry, 333, all of them. There's a red dot coming from this guy. Let me check. Change app shortcut in TryHackMe attack box. Attack box is this, but I want to see how to change the in Ubuntu shortcut for changing app. Super plus tab. What? Super plus tab. So maybe this. Nope. Oh, key above tab. Nope, not is. This is hopeless. Okay, so if I'm here, key above tab. No, this one is different. But anybody else know, like for attack box or Ubuntu, how to change, like switch between control plus tab? No. Switch between apps in Linux. Alt plus tab within an application. Oh, alt above tab. Okay, so alt above tab. Okay, let's see. No. Nope. So basically every single weird one is so bad. I don't like it. All good. We'll just move on. Let's go to the number of ports for us. I'll look at these things later. But too many connections to host that were failed. So we'll go to our here. This is not working. So let's look at the port. There was a different port for HTTP. What was it? 3333. So 4 times 3. Let's look at that. 3333. Okay, 333 works. And we see one whatever university. So what we can do for our this case as well, right? 215 3333. Boom. So now let's just wait 1 or 2 5 seconds. Oh, okay, this is working. So compared to other previously we got the error by this time. It's CSS fonts internals. Oh, internal. That's interesting. But by the time this is running, right? What we can do is one thing I can do is make this big enough that we can switch, but also like this way. Easiest way to actually get things done, I guess. And Sublime text also will just make it big enough like this. That's much easier. Instead of, I'll take care of the shortcuts in the next few, by the next time. So let's look at this. How many ports we found? 3333, 4 times 3, that's 1. 3128, 445, 139, and 2 more, so 6. Let's see, is 6 the right answer? Boom, that's good. What version of Squid proxy is running on the machine? That's why S-SV was used, so we can get these versions of the things running. And we see the Squid one was 3.5.12. 3.5.12. Cool. How many ports will Nmap scan if uh, the flag is this dash p dash as in used? If it was this, then only one port. So I think till 400. Let's see. Okay, so cool. So this is like the upper limit. What is the most likely operating system that machine is running? Ubuntu? What port is the web server running on? So this is 3333, right? We all saw this. We all were like doing these things, right? It's essential to ensure you are always doing your reconnaissance thoroughly before progressing. Knowing all open ports, which can all be points of exploitation, is very important. Don't forget that ports on a higher range might be open, so constantly scan ports after 1000, even if you leave checking in the background. So basically, saying, let's say if you are in actual case, right, actually hacking something like Microsoft, Tesla, those guys, keep them scan, right? Keep the scan on. Doesn't take much, right? And you don't have to constantly like keep on looking at it. Basically, that's why I go for like from 0 to 66. I think it's 6,000, 65,565. That's the upper limit. I think 65,535. Yeah, I'm right. I'm awesome. What is the flag for enabling verbose mode using this? So let me ask you guys, till the scan is running, what is the dash V1? I'll give you 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Chat, come on, let's go. Stay with me, man. I understand it's a Valentine's Day. I understand it's late. Stay with me. That's how we do hacking. Locating directories using Gobuster. So we already started with Dirbuster, Gobuster, same thing. Gobuster is basically written in Go. That's why the pirate with the Go from the Go. Using fast directory discovery tool called Gobuster, you will locate directory to which you can use to upload a shell. Okay. Let's first start by scanning the website to find the hidden directories. To do this, you are going to use Gobuster. Gobuster is a tool for brute forcing URIs. URI and URL is different. What you see here is URL. URI is very similar to it. Basically, it's looking for how to say assets of a system like directories, files, and blah blah blah. DNS subdomains. Basically, when you go on, let's say TryHackMe, there is, if you go, I think TryHackMe with shop.tryhackme, not this, shop.tryhackme or like something like that. There is one that is a subdomain. Like there is google.com, then there is gmail.google.com. So that's its subdomain. Virtual host names, same thing. For this machine, you will focus on using it for brute forcing directories. Download Gobuster here. If you are on Kali, run this. To get started, you will need a word list for Gobuster. In Kali, there are so many. There is SecList, a GitHub that you can use too, which is amazing. You'll need a word list for Gobuster, which will be used quickly. Go through the word list to identify if a public directory is available. If you use Kali Linux, you can find many word lists under user share word list. You can also use the word list for directories located in Directory Buster Directory List 1.0 text. So this is basically what's recommended. So if we don't find anything with our big one, which I think we will, this can be used. Now let's run Gobuster with the word list using Gobuster directory -u. -u is for dir is for the dir is for directory. There is DNS and all those others. -u URL and -w is for the word list. -a print the full URLs in your console. Target URL, word list, -u and -p username and password if we have certain list. -p proxy to use for requests. That's interesting. -c specify a cookie for simulating your authentication. For example, let's say if I'm on Amazon, you were able to find my Amazon cookie. This is something you will use now to use the same cookie and try to get access to my account. I have successfully configured Gobuster. We can look into this as well. But Directory Buster does the job for us. Which directory you upload from what is the directory that has an upload form page? So we can just go and see. Are here. Cool. Let's see what this gets us. What the hell? Okay. This probably because I changed the set like the length, right? It probably busted. But what we can do, there is internal. I believe internal will have something for me. So this gives me the directory and I can upload everything. I don't have to go anywhere. Internal is our answer. That's good. I had this. So internal is the domain. Let's go higher here. Okay. Compromise the web server. Now this is like interesting. So here, let's see what it does. Let's first, as a human, I will go and say Nmap output. Let's see what it does. Extensions not allowed. Okay. Let's see what your extensions are not allowed. There must be a function, I believe, inside the JavaScript that doesn't allow me to do this extension thing. So here is the interesting part. Now we just see. Here, the form action is index.php. So it's PHP server. And we can upload file, submit. Extensions not allowed, it said. Let's say if I upload again something. Do I have something good? I downloaded one thing recently from the CBE hacking we were doing. Let's see burp JSON. Let's see. No file extension not allowed. Index.php. What this guy says for us. Burp user blah 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 username. This is our file. Response was this, and so we don't get any like stuff from the APIs in the back. So that means there has to be something here itself. Where I will go? Actually, I will go to memory. No, not to memory. Application. There should be a JS file or JS function source. And okay, let's see. This is the CSS style editor. No, I'm just thinking. Oh, maybe. Come on, come on, come on. Nope. This is the time I really appreciate Google Chrome. Is there Chrome here? Other. There's no search either. Web. Oh, this is web hacking, not programming. Okay. Where is. I don't even see Firefox. So once I see internet. There's no Chrome, which is unfortunate. Chrome is really good in these cases. There is even like I took a course just to understand all the developer tools inside Chrome. Such amazing, especially if you're a front end developer. Thousands of things in there. So, I'm thinking maybe they might not be then. It's just submitting a form, it's just going, then might be just in the back we are getting that. So, one thing I can do, right, is start looking at some of the files that we can upload, maybe like in terms of PHP file, in terms of JS file. I believe PHP will be one. So what we can do is quickly go Sublime. Hello world. Oh, I got a follower. Thank you so much. Who is it? One sec. I have to check. Thank you so much. I don't see the message this time. Is the element is not up. Sorry about that. Like I usually get the name of the person. Thank you so much for whoever followed, and welcome to the family. Also, happy Valentine's Day. But here we are here. Let me just save as index.php or something. Let's say test.php file. Right. I'll save it in the desktop. We want to see the extensions. Let's see. Desktop. It says extensions not allowed for all. What we can test though. Hello bro, how you doing? Turing sysadmin. Thank you so much for the follow, brother. I love the name, the sysadmin. Like, shows your status already with the name. So, one thing we can do, even though extensions are not allowed, I think if we can just send some malicious script that can give us a reverse shell, that can do the job. Here, now I will use something where I think, how to say it, Perplexity and all the AIs are really good. Create. First, I have to explain it. I'm in a CTF challenge, or it will not. I am in a CTF challenge with a file upload form feature. Can you create? Oh, there is another one. I think reverse shell monkey. I watched it in one of the videos. Pentest monkey. Pentest monkey. Here is the reverse shell cheat sheets. Let's see. Python import blah blah blah. We have this PHP-3, but I think this is like running the command. I'll give you guys this. This is a very important, interesting tool I learned from John Hammond's stuff. So I'll just point this. Thank you, boss, for following again. It means a lot. But yeah, create a file. Create a PHP file for me so that to get reverse shell from the server. Now it is creating. Important thing to know, you need netcat for this. Why netcat? Because if it is saying, hey, I'm giving you reverse shell, but you need to listen from somewhere, right? So this is here. We'll go quickly Sublime Text. And we need our IP address of our this machine. So what we'll do is quickly terminal if config. What is the IP address was? 172, no, this is 10.10.233 and 18. I think that's our one. So hopefully I'm right. My IP. Then we go here, change this IP address. Replace with the desired port number. 1234 is fine for us. Blah blah blah. Okay, I think we are good for this. What now to do is important thing. NC, right? NVLP. Those are the flags. LP and 1234. So we are listening on this port now, and now we will upload our malicious script. Let's see if this will work. And now, just to make sure this was the right script with the saved one, we can just go here. No, wait. First, let's see. Nothing came yet. So, submit. Let's see. Yeah, this was the file if you guys see. But it says, one thing it says is extension not allowed, right? So what I can look into is there are Python. There's a couple of other options we have. Did this give? Nothing. I'm not going to stop this because I'm just going to change the stuff. The extension, or it is not allowing PHP files. Can you get me shell, bash, or Python files, please? Let's see. Bash file, we can just have reverse shell.sh with this. We just have to change the address. Okay, this is fine. Heading to Z, don't you think using AI just harms our own skill? For example, short term it can get your work done, but long term it will have problem. The more I use AI in my tech, I feel like I'm harming my own skills and limiting my growth. Um, that's a good question, boss. And Panda Knight, good nighty. I understand what you are saying. I also felt the same way with the skills and all those stuff. I will tell you this. This is AI is something you have to use with the time in the time when it's coming. AI you have to use. With me, oh nice. With me, the reason I'm using AI, or for example, let's say I do a front end development, right, for a multi-billion-dollar firm. I use AI. They ask us to use AI, but I only use AI to a level that I say, okay, do this exact thing. I can actually like look here, like for example, this. I can look and get this, right? Dash I flag and all this thing. The only reason I don't because I already understand what it is doing for me. I'm just asking it to do something that hey, I don't have to repeat again and again. That's the only thing. For example, if I didn't use this, I would have gone to reverse shell and got from here, right? I That's how it is basically. So with AI, yeah, if you want to develop a skill, don't use AI. Even like when I had to develop, let's say, for example, Python skills, I didn't even use Visual Studio Code. I used to text in Notepad, boss. This was my, and it was Notepad plus plus. That was my friend around that time. So if you're learning something, you're developing your skill, yes, use Notepad plus plus. But once you understand and you want to move advanced stuff, just start using the boilerplate things that are out there to help you move faster. That's my 2 cents. Because there is like, if not AI, you might use a library something. There's always like that question mark coming. Where was I? Here. Use AI cautiously. Let's see this. Riff shell save. And just I will say this: if you are scared of using AI, let me tell you, AI can be hacked. Right now, a big, I don't know if you guys follow AI news a lot or not. A big interesting thing that's going on is a case by OpenAI on DeepSeek. I'm from India too, Mumbai. Oh, nice. That's awesome. Mumbai. Amchi Mumbai. Bro, so many good dialogues which involve Mumbai. I love it. I love it. One thing I forgot to do is this my IP address change. Say with me, Amchi Mumbai, Sapno ka शहर, the land of dreams, baby, land of dreams. But another thing, if you are into scared of AI, why not hack AI? Just ask yourself this question: how much you can exploit AI? That will be an interesting thing to look into. Let's see. Nothing here yet. Did I mention? I'm an idiot. So I have to save this. I have to upload again. I'm an idiot. Sorry, boss. If this doesn't work, one thing I know is these files. If PHP is not allowed, there is another extension of PHP or even Python that can be allowed. So I don't need Pro for this. What other extensions I can give to my PHP or SH file that will work for execution, but probably not um, blacklisted or filtered. Okay, give me something. So PHP 3, PHP 4, PHP 5. Let's go this way. My first intention is why PHP, because if you see this lad here, this form, this is the index.php. So my brain goes with PHP right away. What I can do here now is this, save as PHP 5, let's say. Okay. Now let's see. PHP 5 didn't work, maybe. Okay, what other things I have? PHP, HTML, PHPs. Okay. For shell, it is .cert and everything. Oh, we can play with the capital, capitalization and all those stuff too. Insert null bytes. That's interesting. We can have double extension or we can insert null bytes. Cool. Okay. Let's read this also. Okay. Oh, never mind. It says the same thing. Now that you have found a form to upload files, we can leverage the upload and execute our payload. We will lead to compromising the web server. We will fuzz the upload form to identify which extensions are not blocked. To do this, we'll use Burp Suite. If you need clarification on Burp Suite is and how to set it up, please complete the Burp Suite module. We have done that. Okay, let me read this one sec. I'm not scared of AI, to be honest. I just don't want to be part of a crowd. Programming skills are hard to gain. So what my classmates do is that instead of putting in the work, they stimulate with the AI they are programming that are not they are not programming or hacking. That's because they are just generating text instead of knowing what's happening on lower level. And my goal is to gain skills. That is the right approach, boss. I'm giving you that. That is the right approach. The reason I use AI, I don't use AI to create Python code that without even learning Python. I know Python, right? So you are on the right path. Don't use AI. For example, let's say if you are in a Python course, introduction to Python course, don't use AI to create Python code for you. Create Python code, right? Write your Python code, make sure it is working. Then ask AI, hey AI, can you make it more efficient? Can you make it better? Learn what changes it did, and that's your learning, and that's how you learn. And you are on the right path. Don't follow the crowd. A lot. I will tell you this. When I was when I was a student, I had a similar issue when people were like, "Oh, do this," and like peer pressure. Peer pressure is the biggest BS. Waste of time. Your peers will change. Your friend group will change, and everything will change. Don't worry about this. Just keep doing what you're doing. You're on the right path, bro. And feel free to ever message me. I'm just dropping my Discord. I'm creating a Discord server properly. Oh, this is not working. The whole stream elements is not working today. Interesting. I'll send the Discord right away. It's basically I am Gaurav Satija 8302. This is my Discord. Feel free to reach out if you have any questions. I'm creating a channel too, so that it's easy to communicate and ask questions. But you're on the right path. Don't worry. You got this. So we have this PHP extension.txt. Okay. So here, what Burp Suite? Okay, we can use Burp Suite actually. We have a Python file. We can use Burp Suite. That is actually a good one. Post internal index.php. Configure to accept all your browser traffic. Upload a file once this request is captured. Intruder, payload, sniper attack. Cool. I'll show you exactly what they are trying to do, and this is we need just PHP, right? So let's go here. We have our browser, right? And then we have this extension called Burp Suite extension. Click on Burp for this. What this will do, all the traffic right now from your from your Firefox. Let me go here. Let me give you a good idea. What exactly will go on? How Burp Suite works, right? Let's say if you are on your browser. Let's take orange because of Firefox. Let's say you are on your Firefox browser, right? You go to google.com. Ooh, my writing is pretty good today. You go to google.com. How it works, it goes to the browser or it goes to the internet. I made a basketball, but I wanted to make the world, right? You get the idea. So it goes on the internet and get you the google.com server and the data, right? How Burp Suite will work once you introduce Burp Suite, all your data will go through Burp Suite proxy, right? Burp Suite BS, and that will go to all your requests will go to then internet, and from internet it will come to Burp Suite before it hits your browser. How you do that is basically you go download Foxy Proxy extension on your system, turn on Burp Suite. It's not here. Let me go. Accessories, internet, web. No, system tools here. Burp Suite. You will have community edition for yourself, which is easy and free to download. Let it start. And what we'll do, this is good because then instead of we were uploading PHP, then we were uploading PHP 5, then PHP 3. Instead of doing that, and was like this part of this, right? While we were uploading, we will automate this here, so it can make, with just one call, we are able to make like 10 different ones. So first go here, next start burp. Easy, simple. Come on. And best way if you want to learn, this is what I did. I took a book, I think it was called, I don't remember, it was like a night edition of Java object-oriented programming. Just did all, especially algorithm course, just did all the problems in the back of the page, done. You can master any of those languages with this. So our proxy is on, right? Here you can see off and on. And let me increase the size so it's easy for you guys to see. Font. Here, change this to 18. This to 18. Come on. Cool. So proxy is on, right? And I will make it just big enough for us to see properly. I'll go here. I'll do the same action. I'll go test PHP. This has our servers and submit. You see, it didn't went through properly. Have you buy Pro version for TryHackMe? Previously, I saw you have Perplexity Pro. I have same but different. Is it just copy paste someone else cookie you buy it, which allowed me to have session till cookie expires? Yeah, that's how cookie injection works, bros. I do have the paid version of TryHackMe. Yes, I do. I paid yearly one. You can see premium. Why premium? It's very good resource. I don't mind paying for a good resource. For Perplexity, it gives you certain pro features for free every day. Yeah, TryHackMe is a great one, man. And go on their. This is TryHackMe is great, and even go on their server. When you join, you can go on their server. Lot of great people trying to help you. I'm also there, trying my best. But that's yeah, it's a great server, great community. Same with Hack the Box is also a good one. Go there. I don't have their membership yet. Hack the Box. I don't have their premium membership. I want to like hit big on and start going over try hack me more first. Interestingly, hack the box is where I actually started. So first, yeah, and let's not get more. We were here at Burp Suite. Where's my burps? Oh, this one. So Burp Suite, right? You see the request is here. Post request, the one we care about. Let's send this to intruder. And what we want to do is actually start an attack, sniper attack itself. You know about Zap Proxy? Yeah, Zap Proxy tool, the one you from OWAPs you were talking about. IP address, blah blah blah. And let's see our index. Where is the index.php? No, not index, sorry, test. Test.php. You see this? We are going to add for the extension. We are changing the extension, right? And we are going to add phtml. Whatever this guy gave, this thing gave us. PHP 3, PHP 4, PHP 5, PHP. PHP 4, PHP 3, PHP 5, right? And then we'll go here. PHPs. Okay, I think this should do the job for us. So let's start our attack. Here, sniper attack, make sure you select the sniper attack and just changing the PHP side of it. Let's see what we get. Here, PHP's response receive 4 length. Let's see the length. 774, 773, but this one 756. That's our main one. Because the length has changed, that means it was able to get something more. For example, hey, the extension was not there. That's why the extra, everyone else have this extra bit. You will see here. Close this guy here. You see, extensions not allowed. That will be the difference. The number of bytes that represent extension not allowed is equal to basically the difference between these 773 and 759. And if we want to see the response, right, let me make it a bit smaller. Let's see our response. And then let me make it smaller. I was trying to attack a web server that uses PHP 7.4 outdated version and admin. Just hide his admin panel behind oh, okay. Nice. That's good. Looks like you're on the right. Are you a student in college or school, like high school? So we see upload. We don't see, oh, success. Let's see if our IP address. It's listening on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So what maybe is that our IP address we did was wrong. So this might not be the one. 172.17, this would be the right IP address. Let's go here. Oh, I accidentally clicked the wrong one. 1 second. 172.17 and this. Cool. What? Why is not copying? What is going? Oh, wait. Oh. Keep listening here. First. Copy. Come on, man. Copy. This is embarrassing. This is embarrassing. Go. Okay, we changed the IP address now and we have saved this file. Now what we'll do, we know it's phtml. So we just go and I will say it save as phtml, right? Save as reverse rev dot phtml. This should do the job for us. Now let's go and we can turn off the proxy because we don't need it anymore. We have our answer. Now browse PHTML where and you see extension not allowed change to success here. Oh, burp suite proxy should be turned off as well. So here, discard proxy intercept off. PHTML, let's go. Success. Now we see it's listening. Why we are not getting the reverse shell? Why we are not getting the reverse shell? 1234 is our port number. Okay. We have to check into this. I'm in university. Oh, okay. Which year, boss? Like, are you like in second year, third year, cybersecurity? Do you have a cybersecurity degree in Mumbai University or like any of this? Getting a reverse shell. We are going to use a PHP reverse shell as our payloads. Boom, boom. Yeah, Panda. Hell yeah. Panda is back. Hell yeah. Everybody say hi to Panda. Back from the sleep. Works by being called on remote host and forcing the host to make a connecting to you. So listen for incoming connections, upload and execute your shell, which will be out beacon out to you to control. You can download the following reverse shell. Okay, we can just download this one. Okay. Wait, so let me just copy. Let's do this. Let's see. So we have this reverse PHTML. Now let's see if this one will work. Hey Panda, are you into also? No, I don't have subtitles option on Twitch. This is like I think live. That's actually a cool, interesting thing to add though. Like I will say, extension I can add to this. Okay, yeah. We are all learning. We are all becoming, trying to be something big. But I'll tell you, cybersecurity is something everybody can do, and everybody can become big in it. This reverse shell was. Oh man, I'm an idiot. I have to change this. Back. What was the IP address? I have to copy this and I have to save this. 172 this. Copy. Sublime first one. My IP address either is 10.10.10 this one or 172.17 this. We'll try both. And then we'll go to our this guy upload and let's see. Problem is this one can take some time to come. Let's see if we get right away. Oh no. You have to take the medicine. That's sad, Panda. Hopefully you get better. Oh dang. Itchy as fuck. Oh, sorry for the effort, lads. So there's this. I'll try 10, 10, 22, 3, 3. This one. So sorry to hear, Panda. Hopefully things become better for you. I want to just make sure there's nothing here. So let's try with this. I want to really get my reverse shell. Why it's not coming? Okay, let's see. Edit PHP reverse shell.php file and edit the IP to your tune0 IP. You can get this. You can go get this by going to 10.10.10.10 in your browser on TryHackMe connected. Okay. So 10.10.10.10. 10.10.233 18. So that is our one. Why? But we still didn't get our change this. Port is right. 1234, right? But not able to get anything. Okay, let's get a bit more into detail. We are now going to listen to the incoming connections using netcat nvlp. I did that 1234. Upload your shell and navigate to this. This will execute. Oh, I see. That's the mistake I made. I haven't gone to this one. I sent a friend request on Discord named Andy. You have a server or you have. I'm making one, boss. I'm making one. I'll accept the request. Thank you for sending me the request, though. Thanks, Andy. I'm making one. This is one of my tasks over the weekend to do this. Not found. Oh, it has to be for this one. It has to be rev dot. So uploads one. The only reason I don't know because when I was doing Gobuster or Durbuster, because of the problem and I was changing the size of the terminal, it was giving issues. But now it's here. If I didn't, I would have known this. So who am I? This is our reverse shell, so kudos to all. Who am I? www data, right? And pwd, where am I? In the root directory. Cool. This is amazing. We are in the big guy. We are the big guys. Okay, let's see. The common file answer the following questions, right? We were able to get what common file type you would want to upload to exploit the server is try. I will say PHP, right? Common type file because PHP is like best one to hit. Because PHP is like very common. PHP is as common as Vim. I will tell. Vim is for text editing. PHP is a language, but I'm just saying like those are two just very common things on servers you find because everything is running Ubuntu or Linux or Debian, and so they will all use those. I understand the burst suite tool and its purpose of doing penetration testing. Yes. What extension is allowed after running the above exercise? It was PHTML. While completing the above exercise, I have successfully downloaded PHP reverse shell. I did from PHP monkey and from here as well. I'll send you this thing, guys, so you guys can also look. I'm going to look at this copy link address. Oh, this is Pentest Monkey. I didn't even see. So, Turing sysadmin. This is Test Monkey. Everybody, Pentest Monkey. Everybody loves it, man. An interesting thing. I've watched videos of some people like John Hammond. This is from whom I learned this PHP internet personality. This guy is amazing. And from here, I learned about PHP Pentest Monkey. He also uses it. So, just saying. And Namasek, right, from HackerOne, he also uses for some prompt engineering and Chat GPT for some of his pen testing. While completing the above, I've expressed, yeah. What is the name of the user who manages the web server? What is the name of the user who manages the web server? Okay, let's see. This is, I think, will be in our reverse shell. Um, CD. What do we have? Oh, where we have CD. Let's see, var, blah, blah, blah. Home. Bill. So Bill is our answer. Yep. So let's go into Bill. What is the flag? Cat user dot txt. I hate this. User dot txt. There are better ones for reverse shell. Like if you want to get these, there are better, more stable reverse shells. Some of the scripts are there. We can look those. Privilege escalations. One of my favorite lads. Privilege escalation. Let me give you an example. Let's say you live in your household. You are the kid of the house. You don't have money. You can't ask every time you want to eat ice cream. You have to ask your dad or mom or man of the house or woman of the house, right? Or your guardian angel, guardian, right? Privilege escalation. You becoming the guardian to get some ice cream. You yourself. Let's say there is a AI refrigerator, right? Your fridge, AI freezer, which asks who are you, and I say, oh, I am the kid. Not allowed. I can't open. I can't get ice cream. Then I say, hey, I am the owner of the house, or I am the dad. Gets the ice cream. So that's what we are going to try to do. Now that you have compromised the machine, we'll escalate our privileges to become the super user, right? One thing I like to do first thing is sudo -l. I hate this -l. No TTY present, no ask pass program specified. Okay. Sudo su root. Let's try. Nope. So sudo is not allowed. What we have to do is find a way, a program like, for example, Vim or something that can help us make www-data, which we are, right, when we go who am I, that a root user or something like with higher privilege. In Linux, SUID, set owner user ID upon execution, is a particular type of file permission given to a file. SUID gives temporary permissions to a user to run the program slash file with the permission of the file owner rather than the user who runs it. Andy Dandy Candyman. Panda. For example, the binary file to change your password has SUID bit set to /user bin password. Yeah, this is because you change your password, you will need to write the shadowers file. Shadowers file is where your passwords are saved. Your lips are swollen. That's sad, dude. That you don't have a state. Root does. So password, this is the place where your passwords are, and shadowers. It's challenging time. We have guided you through this one. Unleash your skills and exploit this system further to escalate your privileges and answer the following questions. On the system, search for all SUID files. Which file stands out, right? Shadow has the basically all the hashes for the passwords. You're right, Panda. Root. Okay, so we have to find root. There are multiple ways. One easy one, or the best, very well used one, is linpiece. Linpiece is one those files which will help us find everything we want. So what I can do is go here, get this on the system. Let's see if I can get git clone linpiece. Fatal could not create work tree dir is permission denied. Okay, so how about this? Cat test dot sh. No such file. Sorry, not cat. Nano test dot sh. I am an idiot. Nano test dot sh. Unable to create permission denied. Thanks, my man. We have Guy Vincent on YouTube. What's up, smarty boy? I'm good, mate. How you doing? Happy Valentine's Day. So, Lin Peas, we can't get. What are the other ways I can guess SUID? So let's see ls-al, or we can enumerate through, right? So we can go. We can only wish ourselves, bro. I understand, boss. I understand. But hey, we'll wish each other happy Valentine's Day. Happy Valentine's Day, everyone. So let's interestingly here we can look in the same directory as this just to get user bin and blah blah blah. Okay, let's look into these things. Or one more thing I can do is I'll ls the whole thing, which is a stupid thing to do. I'll do ls user. User has local bin source. Let me see. Hmm, what commands I can use to get list of files with so I can run the permission file. That's one. This will do the job. Type F. Okay, let's see. Harsh life. It indeed is, mate. It indeed is. Life is harsh, but I think that's what it is meant to be. I think we have made it harder. That's I'll give you that. So there is another thing. There's too much garbage. Um, so search for current directory and subsidiaries. D. Um, for this command, only output the found data and null void the garbage non found data. Okay, garbage output. Let's see what happens now. There is like arrow slash dev null that does the job. So what this does is like whatever this permission denied all this, right? This is not useful to us. So only these files will give us the SUID. So let's see. And what this thing does is like all the things that says permission denied will be put into null void, which is ignored basically. User bin new UID map. Okay, SC. Okay, sudo password blah 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 snap system CTL. Okay, snap configure. Okay, open SSH squid finger. Okay, bin SU. Huh. So this is a list. What we were supposed on system search for all SUID files. 400 means, or 4000 actually, is 4 is this one. 00 everything else. User. So I need to find. Okay, so let's see what we can do with these files. New group G password. What's G password? Let's do one thing. Oh, that's what is stupid. Let's. I just want to think. I want to try one thing in my brain cells. Here, I have these files, right? Now, dbus I know is a thing. x64. I don't know about NT. Is it network? Like send something? Which one? Which one of these files you think is like kind of? I think feel this one. Cat bin slash f user mount. garbage data. Problems we can't even go up. So bin slash cat. What I can do, let me think about it. Because with these files, I can put my name or www data in some. So, and sudo is not allowed, I believe. Oh wait, sudo is allowed. Sudo su bin user. So I can do cat slash bin uh cat slash bin slash su cat bin su. Okay, what it says. Options and everything. Okay. But when I do, there is this file su1 that is breaking my brain cells. But there is also not this freak. This thing. Decrypt get device, no. SSH keygen, no. SBin, no. This one is like my brain cell. I have not seen this one much. Let's try this. No, this is not the one. Okay. Oh, this is. So system CTL is one. System CTL is give us services. Service. Status all. Service dash dash status dash all. We'll run this, but we'll let me copy this first. I think this is our answer. So this gives us all the statuses of all the services running. For example, softwares, your SSH or anything. This might be our way. So we have things SSH, Squid, Samba, all these things running. Okay. We have all these files running. What this can do for us? Let's think about it. So let's see. I ran the command you gave me and CTF documentation mentioned stands out. Why? And how can I use this info? Let's see why this one stands out. I'm actually like curious why this file exactly. Stands out because it has this permission. Here's how this is significant, how it can be used to use this information. When a binary has SUID permissions, it runs with privileges of the file owner rather than the user executing it. So basically, we can run it as basically a root user. Now that this one is running, I can maybe use this to change my privileges. Misconfiguration can be exploited to leverage. Okay. You can create a malicious service file and use systemctl to enable it and start it efficiently running commands as root. Here's the list. So maybe I can do /bin /systemctl Okay, never mind. System CTL, unknown operation. Okay. If not, this won't work, then let me copy this whole thing first. Copy, paste, unknown operation. So the operation it has is basically enable, disable, or start a service. What I can do is start a service to get a root privilege, root shell back, maybe. Use the system to link the service file, enable and start the service using system. Okay, so let's say if I create a service, bin/temp output. This exploit creates a service that runs id command as root and makes the output to this. So with this one, we can use id command as root, right? This will like run command id as root. Okay. This exploit creates a service that runs id command as root. Save. So what we can do with this, right, is if it can run id command as root, I can ask it to run another command as root and give me the access or give me privilege. So can you change the file so that change the script so that I can switch my user using su or another command to root. Let's see. This will be interesting if we can get this to modify. Change password. This script creates a service that changes the root password to new password after running it. And switch to you. Okay. Oh wait, this one is better. Why this one is better? Let's see. Echo who am I? All no password is required. So this will like change. This adds the current user to the sudo doers list. So this sudo doers list is all the sudo root level people, and this can do the job for us. This is a better file. So let's do this. Uh can you create it in no, one line so I can echo it into a file, as I can't get nano or other text editors. Let's see. Okay, so this type one shot, blah blah blah. Okay, let's see. Fail to execute invalid argument, of course. So echo service. Hmm. One line pipes this. Can I do no? Must be run from a terminal. What can I do here? Now my brain is like questioning. Root flag, root flag, root flag. Okay, let's see. Okay, another question to ask is, do I need exactly this file? I can use another file. to run something for me. So let's think about it one more time. Keygen understandable sudo password change g password blah blah blah. Okay, didn't do shit for me. So what can we do? Any idea? One thing we can do is also cat slash user slash bin. Oh, cat slash user slash bin slash passwd. Cannot cat this one. Oh, I typed wrong. Cat slash user slash bin slash passw. Okay, great. Root. What is the root password? I'm just thinking, what lads, what do you think what could be the way to get this shell? Has to be service maybe because they won't like think of from TryHackMe's perspective, right? These people won't say this stands out if it could not help us, right? So use the command this. Okay, let's use this one as well. This will give us the same thing, I believe. Permission denied, blah blah blah. But same thing, idea. Do you know answer this better? It will be like slash dev slash null. Oh, I hate myself. The way it would be this copy this thing. 2 dash null copy paste. Okay, so let's see. Systemctl ping is there. It's the same answer we got. What is this to? CHFN. What is CHFN? CHFN? No, CHFN. CFHN is used to change your finger information. This information is stored in the password file is displayed in the finger. Reminds me of that funny Instagram reel I saw. Never bite the hand. This Tony guy who do LC signs. My favorite saying in English is goes like never cut the hand that fingers you. Reminds me of that. Remember, guys, never cut the hand that fingers you. Happy Valentine's Day. So fucking stupid. Um, what can I do, man? What can I do? Think about it. We have pseudo doers, this. Any anything we can do. Anything we can do. System CTL has to be the way. You have to create a service. Let's see if I don't have nano, right? Unable to create directory. Permission denied. It is required for saving loading such. Please enter to continue. What I can do, actually, what I can do, this is what Linux will come handy in. There is with Linux, right? To enter, um, basically line at the end of file. echo and the file name. This keeps on doing that. So with the two dots, we can this we don't need to get nano. With this, we can do this. Can I somehow first I have to get touch maybe touch test dot php? No. So what we can do is change the user flag file because that one is there. So we can do cd bill or cd home cd bill, and now we have our user txt file, right? In this one I would like to change, and does it have to be okay? Let's think about this one here. Go up, change exploit. So exploit creates a service. Okay, first I can do this. First let's do this way. New window. I can do this way. And Alt Z, not that boy. And so this is what I'm going to try. A couple of interesting things now. TF. Let's see. Paste. Now see TF echo blah blah blah. Created assembling from this to okay. Too few arguments. What? Oh, I should change this from this here. Okay, so this one, let's see, this one will do. So here, change password, echo root, new password, change password, install wanted by multi-user, enable now, TF created SM link from temp blah 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 service to this. So now we can check this. System ETL. What is the command then? Did we created it? Let me go slash bin slash system CTL list all services, actually services status all. Nope, so I have to go system CTL system fish system CTL. So PHP blah blah swap clean PHP timers blah blah blah. System TTY. Oh, okay. So we created this echo root new password, right? SU root. Now if I go SU root, this might not work. Must run from a terminal. So who am I? This one we can try. Paste, and I want to add space here. Let me do add one by one. Let's see how it will react one by one. TF, copy this, echo, paste, let's see, enable now, copy. Fail to execute message. So what I can do? This one goes like this. So first paste, then echo like this. Yep, cool, got it. Paste. Or shell. One thing I can do is to make it better, right? Can this do the job for me? Yep. Let's see if this does something good. This main one, this is the main one. Who am I? All password. This will make the main change. Install. Okay. Oh no, we came out of syntax error this. Ah, unexpected this. Hmm. Okay. Let's keep it the same then here. So till here this is good. So we can copy, paste, then this guy, paste. Let's see if this, okay, that thing killed it, the change I made. So now this install keeps going. Good, 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 good. How was it in the last line? Okay. Paste. System CTL link, copy this. Okay, let's see these two. Should have done one by one maybe to make sure this both returns the right thing. Failed to execute operation, invalid argument. Last time it did, so maybe it did created it. Now I have to do is who am I? All no password. Okay, so let's see. So this adds the current user to this. So if I do paste, I'm getting this. What else can I do? What do you think I can do, lads? The error sudo no deriv and no pass asper occurs when sudo attempts to execute a command requiring a password but cannot access a terminal to prompt. It typically happens in non-interactive environments such as automated SSH sessions when are running commands remotely. SSH this sudo command. Okay, I don't have sudo. Configure password. Let's sudo modify sudo config. Can we modify sudo config then? That is one thing. cat user bin ask pass. Okay, cat user bin cat user slash bin slash ssh ask pass. No such file or directory. Okay. Need to think of it in a different direction. Okay, let's see the hint. I have the answer. Like this bin ctl root flag. Maybe we can just look at the root flag using this file. Maybe, right? So we have slash bin slash. What I can do is give me the command list. Help. Let's see. Oh, slash bin slash system ctl dash dash help. Okay, what do I have with the help? What all things I can do, right? This can probably give us something. Query or spend control commands, help, version, system, user, host, machine, type, load, property, full, reverse. Okay. One thing that we can do is, can I use systemctl to get me SSH access to the machine? Let's see, this will be interesting. Yes, you can potentially use systemctl to gain SSH access to a machine if it has the SUID permission. Create malicious service file that adds your SSH public key to the authorized keys or file or target user. Use systemctl to enable and start this service, which will run the elevated privileges. Your public key. With the public key, we can access this root and target IP and the public key. And I no, you cannot simply add a password instead of using public key. Can I do without SSH key? Without key, simply uh, one sec. Sorry, public key. Without use. Can I say? Can I do? Can I do SSH without? Sorry, my brain cells. Public key, simply uh, using the SSH root at IP address. SSH without public key using only SSH is possible but not recommended. Yeah, we don't care. Edit the SSH server configuration. Okay, so now instead of that, let's just add the public key then. I think we can just create public key using SSH, right? And Linux. Okay, now let's go up. Echo RSA your public key. Okay, Let's try this one. This one will be interesting then. Service this, right? So have you guys done this room yet? Like, how was your experience? Let me know. And any what next room you want me to do over the weekend with you guys? Let me know that too. We can. I have like access to the premium ones too, so we can do together if you want to learn a module. So here, public key, right? We can create a public key in our system using this guy here. Okay. So I can add another terminal to my thing. File, open tab. This is on my TryHackMe attack box, not the server we just were hacking. Paste and make this a bit smaller. This is too big. Enter the file. Enter file in which you want to save this. Yeah, sure. This one. Empty for no passphrase. Okay, we have this. So now let's go to cat dot ssh slash id uh root id rsa. No, nothing. uh cat, wait, this one should, oh, dot pub. Wait, it's not here. The file print is here. Okay. Dot ssh here, right? Ssh is here slash known host authorized keys. What the heck? Why didn't save in the right place? Your public key will be saved in the .ssh while the private key will be in. Okay, I can't see it. So where is my SSH RSTA? Where is ID RSA? This is, I did this, didn't work. Okay, let's see this one. And my ears hurt, man. Sorry, my ears hurt too much. Okay, again. Oh, 8 minutes left. Holy. Okay. No such thing. Authorized keys is there. Doesn't do the job for me. SSH key gen RSA. Yeah, your file in which you want to save the key. Let me do this with it. Paste. Where you want to save it? I'll go with passphrase. Nothing. No such file or directory. Hmm. pwd. Let's see. How about this? Public RSA key pair. Okay. How about this? Root desktop. This should do. No, 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 no. Wait. No, no, no. mkdir ssh. Now we can do slash root slash desktop slash ssh. Yeah. Is a directory. What the freaking s? Oh, it needs a text file. Okay, well, I'll give you the text file too then. Fetch ssh pub. So what could be then? Same thing. I'm really, 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 really getting pissed off. Desktop slash ssh underscore pub. Yes. Cool. So now we can do cat slash cat ssh pub. We have this. Okay. No, we won't be able to get this in. Maybe we can. Okay. Maybe we can. Let's try this way. Just try harder, try harder, try harder. Okay, so the service starts like this, right? Though echo. No, this one just a bit different. Here I want to do echo instead of this. Okay, my public key. I will do that too. So let's see creating this service, how this will work. I think I'm just trying a bit harder. This is an easy one. Shouldn't be this hard. Right? So I entered with the dash. I'm just trying a bit harder than it should be. For an easy one, I have done medium. Those are hard on TryHackMe. This is just getting out of control. Paste. Now I will start entering the file. That will take a lot. Takes the public key. It says public key just like this. I'm doubting now. Okay, let's crash this. Let's crash this. Your public key, if I add this even, will it do the job? I hardly doubt. Okay, let's try once, and then if not, I'll just scratching this idea of hacking or doing in this. Let's make this smaller. Here, copy, paste. What it did here. Now this. Copy this. Goes to the next line, so that's good. Go here, copy, paste this. If this worked, I'll be damn. I'll be like very, very proud, but holy, if this worked. But I don't think nobody is using this way. I don't think anyone is using this method in any of the walkthroughs you see on TryHackMe. I don't think anyone will be using these. SSHing into the server by creating this link. Yeah, SM link. Okay, this is there. This service is here. Enable. Invalid argument. So if I do just, how about this? I remove. Now I just enable this service. I create a link. Getting invalid argument. Okay, let's see. Come on, come on. Paste. Oh boy. I am losing my patience. Wait. Okay, okay. System CTL. Let me ask the good old friends. Oh, Andy's here. I love Emacs. You love Emacs, Andy? That's my man. Wow. Wow. Damn, bro. Somebody was doing crazy stuff. Doing the and found the file, found the SUID file, but not exactly sure how can I use it to become root. Tried creating a SSH service, but no success yet. Any hint, please? Okay, this is the Discord server for Try Hack Me community. You help each other. I need help in this one. If I can, try to help other people. But we have system CTL. That's how my brain goes. System CTL, right? I'll go bin. So let's see. Let's read this a bit more. Daily cleanup for temporary. Clean PHP session files. Daily apt download. Okay. 9. Swap sockets. Remote file systems. Okay. Paths. User group lookups. Okay. Maybe this. System CTL. Unknown operation. CTL. Ashwin, my man, how you doing, brother? Happy Valentine's Day. Ashwin is a like a you everyone who's watching you might have seen Ashwin's hi bro right now. Great guy. Love chatting with him, especially yeah, for sure. For singles, yeah man. Singles Valentine's Day we each other are like I'll just go and say happy Valentine's Day to every single person. It's nice, you know. It's a good habit. We should make it a law. Every single person should say to every other single person, Happy Valentine's Day and give a hug. No homo. Just do this. Can I get info about. So, system CTL, how will I get more info about a service? Status is active, is enabled, list units, type service running, failed. So, we can look into this way. Uh, oh, somebody's typing. GTF Obbins. Okay, let's see. GTF Obbins. Was GTF Obbins? Is there a service in that name? GTF Obbins. Anybody? I have idea what GTF Obbins means. These are the services. Did I created these? GTF Obbins is curated list of Unix binaries that can be used to bypass local security restrictions in misconfigured systems. Okay, this is big. Let me drop this for you guys. Maybe big for some hacking in future. This is a okay. This is took a different pitch. Okay, is a curated list of Unix binaries that can be used to bypass local security restrictions in misconfigured system. The project collects legitimate functions of Unix binaries that can be abused to get the fuck break. Whoa. Out restricted shells escalated and maintain escalate privileges, transfer file spawns, blah blah blah. Okay. So these are the. It is important to note that it's not a list of exploits. The programs listed here are not vulnerable uh, per se. Rather, GTF or bins, get the fuck out bins, is a now it makes sense. Um, con- compendium about how to live off the land when you only have certain binaries available. Project. Okay, okay, okay. This is big. So now system CTL should be one of these then, right? That's system CTL is one. Okay, wow. ID. This is what we found in a freaking the perplexity. So let's read this. If the binary has SUID bit set, it does not drop the escalated privileges and may be abused to access the file system escalate or maintain privileges, right? To run, if it is used to run sh-p, omit the -p argument on the systems like Debian that allow the default sh shell to run with SUID privileges. This example creates a local SUID copy of the binary and runs it to maintain escalated privilege. To interact with an existing SUID binary, skip the first command and run the following using the path. Okay. Okay, this is big, lads. This is getting big now. Okay. System CTL enable now. Okay, we have to go one by one. So wait. It created this one, right? Let's remember this now. Well, now system C. Oh, enable. We were on the right path. That's a good thing, especially if you are. I'm just not that much. Created system link file. Okay, so this time it worked. Last time it was giving error. So it enabled and created the line for us. Sudo. If the binary is allowed to run as super user with sudo, it does not drop the escalator privilege and may be used to access the file system, escalate and maintain privilege as access. Sorry, read that in one breath. This sh execute. Okay, sudo. I need to use more brain cells here. Okay. So now, given this is gives us the access. Um, Sudo. Let's see. Sudo. Let's say if we are reach, we don't have. We can only do this and ID. So here, ID runs as the sh, basically as the root, right? So now ID ls. Oh wait. Wait. I might now understand what I was doing wrong. So I have ID with this. What it does here. Let's go up. Here. This exploit creates a servlet that runs id command as root and saves the output to tm output. That was my problem. So if I do cat, am I here? tm slash output. No, it's not even going down, up or down. What happened? What is going on? Come on. Okay, this one bugged out. But now at least we now understand with the id command, I'm whatever the output I want, for example the root flag we are looking for, that can help us with this id command. We can get the output there. Problem is this is not working right now for me. The attack box is giving error. Oh my god, it said it's starting. Did he stop like out of blue? It's initializing. What the hell? That's bad. If it is initializing, it stopped without giving a warning, then that's bad. Which then we have to go back to reverse shell and all those stuff. If it does that, let's just do that. Uh, get it done with. What are your guys' plan? Anybody wants to play chess with me? If I'm on chess.com, anyone wants to play chess with me? This is my name. I'm playing one with someone with 3 days as a thing. So, do I want to give away my night that easily? No. Let me know if you want to. Anyone wants to play? Just drop your act on this and we'll play. But given the fact this one is taking some good amount of time, here I'll show you interesting things. So this one has 10, 10, 115, 44. This one had 10, 10, 2, 3, 3. So this has changed. We got effed by TryHackMe. Now I just have to get the reverse shell. However, how will I get the reverse shell? I have to go back to that pen test monkey and get that. That's stupid, man. I will report this, like how this can happen. We know it's 3333. Okay, 3333. That's our one, right? Pen test monkey. Pen test monkey. Give me the reverse shell. Where's the PHP one? Reverse shell. Fuck it. I'll go through try hack me once. Where is it? Reconnaissance. Nope. Not here. Compromise the web server. Where are you? Where are you? Where are you? Here. This one, get from here, right? Now go back. I'm just going to go to this one. Save this quickly, and the extension was PHTML. I know that easily. Download this file. Show. Rename PHTML. We go internal browse. Where is it? Downloads or documents? Reverse shell PHTML. Yep. Submit. Success. Internal uploads. What was the file? Whatever the file name was. PHP reverse shell PHTML. And first you have to go to NC. Oh, I made a mistake. NVLP 1234. Listening to this port, but first I have to do this. First rename this, it's too big. PH. And I'll just take the IP address from here, 10.10.115 and 4. It's changing here. I'm not showing much right now. Sorry about that. I just want to get this over with. Browse. Upload. Submit. Upload slash what was it? ph.phtml. Gets us the shell though. Hopefully. No? Uploads. Should get the shell. No. Wait, let's see what it said to us then. What was the URL? Internal uploads PHTML. Yeah. HTTP. What the hell is this? We have our netcat. I don't know. Well, let's just do this. It's just too late for me as well. Let's do this, lads. Do you want me to go over? Do you want to play some game? At this point, do you want to play some Fortnite, chess, something? Or you want me to go, keep going? Or do you want to raid certain channels, just have fun with people, just send them love? Do you want to do that? Let me know. Like, let's do something else. I'm like losing my patience with them here at TryHackMe. Internal uploads PHP HTML. I did the same file. PHP HTML. Internal uploads. This will run the script we have. So ph.phtml, and just for Sublime text, let's see what Sublime text has to say. Cancel, cancel, or like this. Open with Sublime. Ah. Oh, it should be 44, not 4. Okay, let's upload this again. 10.10 da 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 internal browse, and we will have a reverse shell egpg. See this? Now we have our reverse shell, right? Let's go back to the gtof thing. If we do this, copy, paste. Now I will go with systemctl's systemctl link tf, paste, created the link for us. Now let's enable this service. Now whatever we type should go in temporary output, right? So cat /tmp/output. This will be our main thing. I'll just copy this so it's easy. Now let's do id sudo it will output everything. So operand. Okay, we can do just one thing. So id how can I use it to enumerate? I use the following script. What all can I do now? Let's see. Check the check the service status. stop the service, remove the service, examine system logs, modify the service by editing TF. Huh. Can I enumerate things? Can I enumerate through things? We will have log cd root cannot cd to root. So now I will do cd id root. No id root. No such file or directory. When I went to id root, right, and if I do pwd, so cat slash temp slash what am I doing wrong then? Like, can I use it to cat? Hi, what's up? Chandu. I'm good, man. How you doing? Happy Valentine's Day. How you doing? How you doing? Sorry, I've been like just my brain has just went into a rot mode almost with this hacking today. Holy, it's crazy. Today is a crazy, crazy day. Thank you so much for the follow, though. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. It's going good, honestly. I'm very proud of myself that I was able to get through this vulnerability system, but I'm just like stuck a little bit at the end here with the privilege escalation. But making progress though. I know good part is I feel like I'm on the right path. So this is good. How about you, mate? Yes, you can use system A to execute this. Blah blah blah. Cat. Okay, cat. Path to your file. Okay. So execute start. So ID command. How much time it will take you to finish try hack me? I don't know actually. I was thinking to like just like do this tomorrow maybe. That was my brain cell was going just to because I'm tired. I'm tired. Not going to lie. So I'm thinking if you guys want, right, we can either play chess or we can play Fortnite. I'm actually pretty good with Fortnite. I've become pretty good with Fortnite recently. Or we can rate some channels. We can do something fun. Whatever you guys would like, I can do that if you want. I have at least like I can say I have 20 minutes still because it's like 1:40 a.m. for me. Oh, so try hack me challenge. Mostly depending on how hard the challenge is. Of course, easy one. I will say within 2 days. Majority even like the ones easy ones which are actually a little bit harder. I can do within 2 days. A lot of them I have been able to do within one day in one sitting. In 3 to 4 hours, I'm able to complete a good amount of them. Medium ones, there was a medium one I did recently that took like how to say 3 days, I think. But I will tell you this why because I've been doing a lot of try hack me. I've been doing a lot of try hack me. This is like my third month of continuously doing try hack me every week and putting it at least like every week I put for hacking I put how to say maybe 1 2 3 4 around 20 to 30 hours every week I put into hacking. 20 at least, minimum 20. And I've been doing a lot. Like, let's see. This one, I lost my 45-day streak because of the new year and stuff. And then I was taking break. But yeah, I think I'm level 6 within I'm level 6. Last time I checked I was at level 4. I'm at level 6 Voyager. What does this mean? My vocab is pretty bad. Ooh, cool. Voyager meaning. Yeah. Bro, if you want, right, just join me. I come out like every night around 9:30 PST. I come and it goes to like 2 hours or 3 hours, and just we can just go. 9:30 I usually come nowadays. So if you want, feel free. And if you guys want, I will you know what? I want to support you guys. So what I will do, I'm very close to getting affiliate. The day I get affiliate, I'm going to give couple of free premiums. How about that? Oh, I'm in Canada. I'm very close to, so I will do a giveaway for you guys. Like it will come out of from my pocket, but that's fine. The day I reach affiliate, I think I'm very close, especially with this stream. This one has been a good one. You want to see some struggle? How struggle looks like? I'll show you something interesting. Uh, this is struggle looks like. This is what progress looks like. And today, you guys made my life a day. Like today, this chart is small. My chart is going higher today. So yeah, and if you want, I'm very regular with these things, and I am ready to help anyone with anything, motivation you need. You want to talk? My Discord is there. I'm creating a Discord channel too. So you guys, I'm just here to help, man. Like because I wanted to be in cybersecurity, didn't get much help from mentors or teachers at universities and school. They used to look at me as if I'm a criminal when I said cybersecurity. But look at me now. I have a good living. I'm making a good living. I'm able to follow my hobby, and I'm helping people in the ways I didn't get help. So I'm happy. And you know what? The day I get affiliate, I will give a couple of TryHackMe subscriptions for free. You guys, I want to support you guys. Do it with me, and I will support you. And if you have any questions anytime, man, Discord, just message me on Discord or any other platform. Would be happy to help. Okay, so let's do this, guys. One more thing we can do is I have 15 minutes left. Let's take off now. It's Friday night. I will learn more about this exact thing. Just get the fuck out github.com. Not to you guys, it's the name of the page. Look into this. Look into this. I will look into this. I will get some more information, understanding of this, and tomorrow we'll do this along with one more thing. Tomorrow probably I will come for a little bit for Try Hack Me. Tomorrow I have to look into this one interesting thing I was looking for: prompt engineering and AI hacking. Gandalf. This is what I was looking. Prompt injection attacks. This something my man here, sorry, Andy or Turing sysadmin, right? You will like this. Look into this because a lot of people are. I'll give you this that you might think hacking AI will take jobs. Let me tell you, AI is a system. Hacking is going to happen. We are going to hack it. Hacking is all about making the systems bend over. So yeah, that's all I can say. So use this. Look into this. I'm going to look into this tomorrow. Not much try hack me, but this is still hacking, and we'll try to learn about OWASP's top 10 large language model applications vulnerabilities. Okay. So yeah, let's just end with that note today. Um, but I want to say this one thing before I go. Thanks for everyone for joining today and following and everything. today you will see, or tomorrow, or over the whole weekend, you will see a lot of people over social media typing best hubby ever, best relationship, blah blah blah. And it gets lonely. If you get lonely, please feel free to text me, man. Like, just if you want to chat, trust me, I have been alone at one point in my life. I have went through depression. Feel free to text me. Whatever you text me will stay between you and me. I am just a anonymous guy on internet. You are anonymous, so feel free to text me. Let me know if you need any help. You want to just talk. I'm happy to help. And yeah, don't worry. These, like, one thing I realized even in my life, right? And my looking at some of people very close to me, the right person will come into you if you're the right guy, if you're, or a woman, if you're a good person. God will send a good person for you. Just don't go on the wrong path, and don't worry. Don't get sad tomorrow if you see couples pictures, a bunch of them online tomorrow. Just go on social media, go on their comment section and type with beauty and full on heart, I miss the days we were together. You look much happier. You looked much happier earlier, not anymore. Just type that, and that's all. Have a good one. See ya. Feel free to reach out to me on Discord. Don't forget to message your friends and all those. Remember the keywords. Bye, Chandu, and remember the keywords, okay? I miss the days we were together. Just go on some of the social medias, especially the friends who is ruining your life with those images, and just go and say, I'll miss the days we were together. Have a good one. See ya. Good night and good day. If you're in Europe, India, if you're in North America, good night. See you tomorrow. We'll do some hacking, okay? Love you. Happy Valentine's Day.